We shall continue with the chapter Thermodynamics. We shall learn about reaction enthalpy delta HR. What is meant by reaction enthalpy? It is the enthalpy change or the energy change that accompanies a particular reaction. Now, how can we calculate the reaction enthalpy? It can be calculated using the formula delta HR is equal to sum of the enthalpies of the products minus sum of the enthalpies of the reactants. Next, we shall see what is meant by standard enthalpy of reaction. It is denoted as delta H naught R. Now, how can we define standard enthalpy of reaction? It is defined as the energy change or the enthalpy change that accompanies a reaction when all the participating substances are in their standard states. Standard states means the participating substances will be in the pure form at 1 bar pressure and 298 Kelvin. Next, we shall learn about the enthalpy change that occurs during phase transformations. First one, standard enthalpy of fusion. So from the term, it is clear that the process is fusion or melting. Now, how can we define standard enthalpy of fusion? It is defined as the enthalpy change that occurs during the melting of 1 mole of a solid in the standard state. It is denoted as delta H naught fusion. Since melting is an endothermic process, delta H naught fusion will be positive. Now consider standard enthalpy of vaporization. Here the process is vaporization. So the phase transformation will be from the liquid state to the gaseous state. Standard enthalpy of vaporization is denoted as delta H naught vaporization. Now how can we define standard enthalpy of vaporization or molar enthalpy of vaporization? It is the enthalpy change that accompanies the vaporization of 1 mole of liquid at constant temperature and 1 bar pressure. Standard enthalpy of sublimation. How can we define standard enthalpy of sublimation? Delta H naught sublimation. It can be defined as the enthalpy change that accompanies the sublimation of 1 mole of a solid at 1 bar pressure and constant temperature. Next, we shall learn about standard enthalpy of formation. It is different from standard enthalpy of reaction. Standard enthalpy of formation is denoted as delta H naught F, and it is defined as the enthalpy change that accompanies the formation of 1 mole of a compound from its elements in their most stable states, that is at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar pressure. Now consider the formation of water from the elements hydrogen and oxygen. How can we frame the equation? H2 plus half O2 gives H2O. Note that here 1 mole of the compound is formed and the compound is formed from the elements. So here in this case, the enthalpy change accompanying can be taken as standard enthalpy of formation. Delta H naught F is equal to minus 285.8 kilojoules per mole. Next, consider the equation decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. How can we calculate the standard enthalpy of reaction? We know that standard enthalpy of reaction is given as sum of the enthalpies of the products minus sum of the enthalpies of the reactants. So here standard enthalpy of reaction will be equal to standard enthalpy of formation of calcium oxide plus standard enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide minus standard enthalpy of formation of calcium carbonate. If we know these values, we can get the standard enthalpy of reaction. It can be calculated as equal to 178.3 kilojoules per mole. Note that here delta H naught R is positive. The positive sign shows that energy is absorbed or decomposition of calcium carbonate is an endothermic process. What is a thermochemical equation? A balanced chemical equation with a delta HR value is known as thermochemical equation. So if the enthalpy of reaction, the value of delta HR is given along with the balanced chemical equation, then it can be called as a thermochemical equation. Now consider the equation C2H5OH, that is ethanol, plus 3O2 gives 2CO2 plus 3H2O. This is the balanced chemical equation showing the combustion of ethanol. Delta H naught R value is given to be minus 1367 kilojoules per mole. Now what is the sign associated with delta H naught R? It is negative. Negative sign shows that energy is released. Or we can understand that combustion of ethanol is an exothermic process.